Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing us. Thank you for growing the channel with us, guys. And today we'll show you guys on Hyundai Elantra 2011 to 2016 model how to remove and replace tail light bulbs. We will be demonstrating now on the outside tail light. You have an inside one, so you have one bulb here, and you have actually three bulbs for the tail light on this one. You can see one here, here, and one on the side. So stay with us, guys. We'll demonstrate how to remove the tail light and how to replace the bulbs. Okay guys, we're going to open the trunk now. Okay, right there. And actually what we're going to do, I'll remove that thing out of the place so we can have more room. Okay, you can see left, right side are identical. We'll just pick one now. Okay, so this cover right here, there is okay, one notch that you need to push in. Okay, you can see this piece like that, and then you can open it. Okay, like that. Next we'll need to remove the tail light. We'll need a 10mm socket. Okay, or you can even use a wrench, regular wrench as well, and remove 3 nuts. Careful not to drop them, guys, inside the trunk, okay, because otherwise you have to remove that carpet out of the way so you can get to the nut. Okay, that's what the nuts look like. 3 identical nuts. Okay, and there is something that you should know how to do now, because otherwise you might break the tail lamp. So stay with us. We'll need to disconnect the wires. Okay, push in on the center piece and pull out. Okay, that piece, okay, you push in and you pull the wires apart. Next, let me explain you quick. Right here there is a hidden clip that's holding, so you need to pull towards the back. Okay, that's the clip I'm talking about. It goes right here in the tail light. Then you can pull the seal. When you install it, you have to install the metal piece to go between the 2 rubber ones you can see in the groove. Okay guys, so we have 3 light bulbs for the tail light, just on the outside piece. So we have this little bulb here, we have the big one that's for brake light and tail light, and this one as well. So in order to remove the big one, you have to remove the little one first. Okay, you grab it and you twist it, okay, counterclockwise about 30 degrees. So this is the bulb, guys. It's done. So what you need to do now, okay, you just pull it out. You have to be careful not to break it with your fingers, because those are very, very little bulbs, and you can see how this one is burned now. Okay guys, and this is the new one. We have the links for all the bulbs on our website, and you can find more information in the description of the video. Okay, all you need to do, just push it all the way in. Okay, let me make sure that it's in. Okay, like that. Now it's time to remove the big one. If yours is not working, okay, right there. This is the big bulb, and now this one you have to push down and twist counterclockwise, again about 30 degrees. This one is a done bulb. So now I'm gonna get the new one quick, okay. This is the new one, guys, and again we'll share the information about all the bulbs, okay, and you can find them in the description of the video. Okay, push it down until it locks counterclockwise and install it now. Okay, now you need to find, it goes only one way. Okay, so it's very specific how you install that thing. Okay, let's see if we can get it in. Okay, like that. Now the little one, next. And then we have one more, guys. This one again goes only one way. So you have to make sure that all the teeth, all 3 teeth go in at the same time, and then you need to twist counterclockwise. Okay, right there. And the last one is the one right here. Okay, and this one is a small bulb again. This one is not working, this is burned, okay, and this is the new one. You can see functioning bulb. Okay, so we'll go ahead, push it in. Okay, and just twist back. So that's it, guys. Now, all you have to do, just put it back together. In reverse order, we took it apart, get the 3 nuts tight, and that's it. So, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, let's grow the channel together. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now, check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.